Hello guys, welcome back in the entire series of CCNA CCNP. I am Devesh, your trainer for this entire series. Guys, today is day 4th and today we discuss about IP addressing. In our last video, we discuss about what is an ISP and what are the connectors and types of connectors and what are the color coding. So guys, I requested to you, if you are not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it for upcoming videos. So topics for today is what is the IP address and types of IP address, what is an IP address and private address, what is the IP version 4 classes, and what are their range, and what is in private address range, and types of IP versions, and difference between IPv4 and IPv6. So guys, let's start. Firstly, I want to say something to you guys. Guys, if you are understand properly the IP addressing, then one of the third part you are already completed to come forward in a networking word. So let's start guys. IP stand for internet protocol. It is an unique address of any device. We can understand it by the behalf of this example. If you purchase something from any e-commercial site, at that time you need to put your address in their address box. At by the behalf of your address, they located your they trace your provide your product at your home. As same like this, by the help of IP addressing, in the networking world, your data is transferred one place to another place. IP address is a logical address. It will be changed by the by behalf of network. Here is two types of examples of IP addressing. First one is IPv4 address and second one is IPv6 address. How they are look like, we IPv4 address. So guys, there are 4 octet and IPv4 is 32 bit long address. Every octet having a 8 bit, that is known as a 1 byte. Here is an example, the IP version 4 address, that is 172.16.254.1. Every octet is separated by the help of dot. Second one is IPv6 address, that is 128 bit long address, and it's an hexadecimal address. So guys, we discuss it briefly in further. So guys, second one is types of address. There are two types of IP address. First one is an static address and second one is dynamic address. What is an static address and what is the dynamic address? The address that is we need to put in our device manually, that is known as IP static IP address, and the second one is dynamic IP address, that is provided by our network to our system automatically, that is known by static dynamic IP address. The first one is an example of IP version 4 static IP address. Here we use the following IP address, that is 192.16.78.2, and there is an second one is the subnet mask of this, and third one is the gateway, that is manually configured in our device. And second one is an example of dynamic IP address. Here is we check on obtain an IP address by automatically. How we can know where we get the IP address automatically and what is our network IP address? By the command of IP config/all. So guys, what is the next topic? What is the public IP address and private IP address? First one is public IP address. So guys, what is an public IP address? Public IP address is the address that is provided by your ISP for accessing the internet. I am already described ISP in my previous video. If you don't understand it, then you can see this video. So guys, here an example of public IP address, that is 201.10.101 and many other examples of public IP address. And second one is private IP address. Private IP address is used to access the local area network. By the help of private IP address, we cannot access internet. And why the private IP addresses are used? That is the because of the limitation of IP version 4. There are very less number of IP addresses are available. So it is not possible to provide public address to all of devices, because you all are knows there are 2 and 3 devices are normally having a single person, and in the whole world there are lots of devices. So that is not possible to provide to everyone to a public IP address. That's why the developers are created a public IP addresses. Here is an example how we can understand it is a private address and a public address. I describe in next slide. So guys, what is an IP version 4 classes? The IP version 4 classes by their capacity, every classes are categorized in 5 parts in IP version 4, that is known by class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. So guys, let's see what are their range. And first one is class A. The range is 1.0.0.1.2 126.255.255.254. Here is all the host and all the range of network. Second one is class B, that the range of class B is 126.1.0.1 to 191.255.255.254. Total number of host and the total number of networks are there, and how many IP addresses are there are available, the addition of both host and network. Third one is class C. Class C, the range start from 192.0.1.12 to 23.255.254.254. Supported the total 254 hosts are there, and 2 millions of networks. So guys, the total number of IP address is their addition. The class D. Class D is an used for multicast. Multicast means when we want to communicate in the same time to multiple persons, they are selected person. So the range of class D is 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255.255. And class E. Class E is reserved for future use and research and development purpose. The range of class E is 240.0.0 to 254.255.255.254. So the total range of IP version 4 is 0 to 255. So guys, what is our next topic? Next topic is IP version 4 private address by their range. In class A, the range is reserved for a private address, that is 0.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. In class B, the range is started with 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. 255, and in class C that is 192.168.0.0 to 255.2.255. So guys, at that time of range at that time of understanding the IP range, you think where is 0 range and 127 range. So guys, here I describe 0 and 127 range is used to system itself for system automatic troubleshooting. Means that range is used by our system for troubleshooting uh, itself. So guys, types of IP version, there are two types of IP version. First one is IPv4 and second one is IPv6. IP version 4 is 32-bit long IP address, and IPv6 is 128 bit long IP address. IP version 6 is more secure than IPv4 because it's a very long IP address and hexadecimal address that is not tracked by the hackers. That's why. And what is the difference between IPv4 and IPv6? So guys, IPv4 is 32-bit long IP address, where the IPv6 is 128-bit long. IP address are binary number represented in decimals. IP version 4 representation in decimal numbers, and IPv6 representation in hexadecimal. IPv4 is IPv6 is more secure than IPv4 because of its length and hexadecimal number. Here are some of the other points that is differentiate the IPv4 to IPv6. So guys, thanks for watching this video. In our upcoming video we discuss about what is an subnet mask and how we subnetted and working with IP address. So guys, again I requested to you, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thanks for today.